Welcome to Let's Talk English.
Hello, my friend. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. I'm happy you are here with us.
Yes, welcome back. We are very happy to see you again.
Today, we have a very fun topic.
Yes, today we will talk about your weekend.
Your weekend plans. What do you do on the weekend?
Do you relax? Do you work? Do you go out?
Don't worry, we will use very simple English.
Yes, easy words, short sentences, slow speaking.
And we will help you practice speaking.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
This helps us make more videos for you.
Okay, let's start.
Part 1. Talking about the weekend. Alice, I have a question.
Yes, David?
What do you do on the weekend?
Good question. On the weekend, I like to relax.
Ah, relax. That's nice.
Yes, I feel tired after work.
Me too. Always tired.
So on Saturday, I wake up late.
Oh, you wake up late?
Yes, I wake up at 9 or 10.
Wow, that is late. I wake up at 7.
No, why so early?
I don't know. My body says wake up.
That's funny.
Okay, let's help our listeners. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. David and Alice, slowly. I wake up late. Again, I wake up late.
Good job.
Part 2. Simple weekend activities. Alice, what do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee.
I love coffee.
Me too. Coffee is life.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Sometimes bread, sometimes eggs.
Simple and nice.
Practice 2. Repeat after us. ASL and David. I eat breakfast. Again, I eat breakfast.
Very good. After breakfast, what do you do?
Sometimes I watch TV.
Nice. What do you watch?
I watch movies or funny videos.
Funny videos are the best.
Practice 3. Repeat. I watch TV. Again, I watch TV.
Do you go out on the weekend?
Yes, sometimes.
Where do you go?
I go to a cafe.
Ah, a cafe. Very nice.
I sit, drink coffee, and relax.
Sounds peaceful.
Repeat. I go to a cafe. Again, I go to a cafe.
Now, let's ask our listeners.
Yes. Are you ready?
Question 1. What do you do on the weekend?
Say it. Say it out loud. Good.
Question 2. Do you wake up early or late?
Early or late?
Question 3. Do you stay home or go out?
Stay home or go out? Very nice. You are doing great.
David, do you exercise on the weekend?
No.
No, never?
Okay, sometimes.
Sometimes means never.
Hey, that's not nice.
I'm joking.
Okay, I walk sometimes.
That's good. Repeat. I go for a walk. Again. I go for a walk.
What about Sunday, David?
On Sunday, I rest.
You rest?
Yes, I stay home.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook simple food.
Wow, good job.
Thank you. My food is okay. Repeat. I stay home. Again. I stay home. Now, let's help you speak.
Yes, listen and answer.
On Saturday, I
Say your answer. On Sunday,
like to.
Very good.
Let's review important phrases.
Yes, repeat with us.
I wake up late.
I eat breakfast.
I watch TV.
I go to a cafe.
I go for a walk.
I stay home.
Again, one more time. I wake up late.
I eat breakfast.
I watch TV.
I go to a cafe.
I go for a walk.
I stay home.
Let's have a small conversation.
Yes, listen carefully.
What do you do on Saturday?
I wake up late and drink coffee.
Nice. Do you go out?
Yes, I go to a cafe.
What about Sunday?
I stay home and relax.
That sounds perfect.
Now, you try.
Tell us, what do you do on the weekend?
Do you relax or work?
Do you stay home or go out?
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a great job.
Keep practicing every day.
Slow and easy. You will improve.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your favorite weekend activity?
We want to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.